How to kick someone from Discord server. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord. And from the server list, click on the server that you want to kick a member out of. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click on settings. And here you want to scroll all the way down to the user management section, and from there click on members. Here you will find all of the member lists of this server. In order for you to kick someone out of this server, all that you need to do is click on the three dots next to him, and from the administrative section click on kick that person's name. A pop-up window will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to kick this person from the server? They will be able to rejoin again with a new invite, and also they give you an optional reason for kick that you can enter in this field. Once you do that, click on confirm, and the person will be kicked out of this server. So that was it for this video. That's how you can kick people and members out of Discord servers. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.